Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown in Moultrie, Georgia, with some cash commodity commentary for you. It's Monday, about 4:30. Markets are a little bit, cotton market was a little bit touched up today. We tried to go above 73 cents for a little while. We closed down at 72 cents, down about 68 points. As you know, December cotton's getting ready to enter its delivery phase a week from today. And with the holiday coming up, it's hard to imagine that market still wants to rally right now. Might rally during delivery. March and subsequent months were also off about the same amount. March cotton out at 72.06. You see that spread is dead even. One wonders why, but we'll see what tomorrow brings as far as that is concerned. Over in the grains today, they were much higher. The corn market was the strongest. Corn was up about 10 cents or so. Friday afternoon late, the Environmental Protection Agency came out and maintained its corn ethanol mandate. There was a lot of talk that we might be able to see that get cut a little bit, which would have been bearish on corn, but that was not the case. They kept that, and thus corn has a reason, to hang up here. Also, there was some talk of some low-lying flooding in some of the production areas of Argentina. They've had several episodes of rain down there, so that also rallied corn and beans for that matter. January beans did get over $14 for a little while today, but did settle basically below that, with jam beans going out at $13.95. Wheat today pretty muted, but still up, $8.51, up 5.5 cents. Of course, the grains have been beaten pretty hard lately by huge liquidation of funds, and we could still see some liquidation, but I think gotten a little too cheap down here. So the beans in particular were subject to some bargain hunting buying, from exporters, and that's another reason that beans sort of shored themselves up. Crude oil sharply higher today. Of course, Israel's massing thousands of troops on its border with Gaza, and that could, create a situation in which we could see, oil stocks get threatened, There was back in the day, in the 70s, of course, every time that happened, you'd see oil shoot out the roof. But, of course, U.S. producing a tremendous amount of oil ourselves right now. Stock market up 207 today. That certainly helped out a lot of the peripheral markets. We still have big concerns about this fiscal cliff, which we need to get an agreement on taxes and spending cuts. And really we need lot more spending cuts than we need tax revenues. And in our little feeble estimation, gold was sharply higher today. Another outside market that sort of helped, as did copper. That certainly helps the feelings of traders, which will help them buy corn, beans, wheat, and cotton. At any rate, we'll see what tomorrow brings. Have any questions or comments, give us a call at 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.